Okay guys, now what we're going to do here is we're going to do question 3 and then finally we're going to do question 7, okay? Now in question 3 it's x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now what two letters multiplied by each other give you x squared? X and x. That's why when I do these ones that are 1x squared, I can guarantee that it's x in one bracket and x in the other bracket. That always has to happen, okay? Now what you do is you multiply 1 by minus 8, you get minus 8 as your reference number, and then what two numbers multiply to give you minus 8, Mick?
4, minus 4 and 4.
That's when you...
minus 4 and 2.
Minus 4 and 2. Now there's a problem with minus 4 and 2, Mick. When you add them, you get plus 2. You want that, when you add them, you need to get plus 2.
Minus 2 plus 4.
Exactly. So you just quick change around there, and that's your answer. Another acceptable answer would be the opposite way around: x plus 4, x minus 2. They're both acceptable, okay? Now that you've done that one, we're now on question 7. So I've done question 3. I'm now going to do question 7. Okay, guys. So question 7 is x squared plus 1x minus 12. Do you see what I did? I put the 1 here to specify that it's 1x. Okay. What's the reference number?
12. Minus 12.
Minus 12. He's right. Minus 12 as opposed to 12. What two numbers multiply to give you 12?
4 and 3.
4 and 3. Paddy, just wait a second. Shh. Okay, 4 and 3. And which one should be minus or plus?
The 4 is plus and 3 is minus.
So x minus 3
And
x plus 4. Okay. There's the next type. The next ones are slightly longer and slightly more difficult. Okay, now let me explain what's going on here. Now, what you're going to be given next is something like this one here, for instance, number 15. Okay, so I've done 1, 3. Now I'm going to do 15. Okay, now in 15 you have 3x squared plus 16x plus 5. You can't jump directly into the brackets just yet. Does anybody remember what step 1 is here? Multiply 3 by 5. You get a reference of 15. Okay? Once you've done your reference of 15, what you do next? 15 and 1. Okay? Because 15 plus 1 gives you 16. Now, does anybody remember the next step?
3x squared plus 15 plus 1.
15x plus 1x. And then, now does everybody see what I did there? You split it in half. Do you understand? Now, does it matter if the 1 comes before the 15x?
No.
No, you'll still get the same answer. Okay? So, what you got to do is you got to look at these two here and go, okay, what can I take out of both of these?
3x.
You can take out a 3 because 3 divides into 15, and you can take out an x. Now, 3x multiplied by what gives you 3x squared? X. That's 1 down. And then there's a plus. 3x multiplied by what gives you 15x? 5. 3x multiplied by 5, 15x. That's 2 down. And once you get 2 down, whatever this bracket is, write out again. Now what number is in here multiplies by x to give you 1x? 1 plus 1. And then 1 by 5? 5. And then finally 3x plus 1. Whatever number is here and here goes first, and then x plus 5 in second. Will I do one more then before I let you just do them? Okay, I'll do number 22. Okay, 22. So we'll get Sean, will you run me through 22 please?
Okay.
So what's step 1?
5 by minus 4.
And what's 5 by minus 4?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. Okay. So Sean, think of numbers that multiply together to give you 20. Just
10 and 2.
10 and 2. Well, give me another one.
20 and 1.
20 and 1. Give me one more.
5 and 3.
5 and 4. Okay.
4.
Yeah, you would have got that anyway though. Now, guys, you got to make a decision. Which one can you make 19 out of? 20 and 1. Which one? It has to be minus 19, so.
Minus 1. Minus 20.
Minus 20 plus 1. That's okay.
So
Now,
5x squared minus 20 plus 1.
20x plus 1x, yeah. Sean's taking over again, guys. Now, what can you take out of 5 and 20?
5 on x.
5 and the x, and then 5x multiplied by what gives you 5x squared?
1x.
1x or x. 5x multiplied by what gives you minus 20?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. And then you automatically know that the next bracket is the same, yeah. Then what number goes in here? Just plus 1, because 1 by x is 1x, 1 by minus 4 is minus 4. Then finally, answer?
5x plus 1
and
x minus 4.
Okay, guys. Now, guys, I really have to